Hi guys, and welcome back to the Gigi Naturals Homestead channel. So on today's video, we took a little trip to the Dollar25Tree. I did not record that part of it. However, we were able to find some pots, some really cute pots. They're cute to me anyways. So we were able to find some pots, and we're gonna go ahead and get some things planted up in those pots and just bring some color into this environment. As y'all know, we live in RV life 25/8 right now, and so we're just gonna go ahead and get some color popping out here and just get the garden looking the way that I want it to look. So stay tuned and let's go ahead and jump into this video. So these are the pots that I got from my Dollar25Tree, and I just thought that they were cute enough to sit around, and I thought that the yellow would do this color some justice without being so stand out. I just wanted it to kind of really blend in with the environment that I am in, and also be a color that complemented our travel trailer. So this is what I decided on, and here is what the plant looks like inside of it. So I thought it was a nice compliment. It turned out really, really cute, and so we're going to take the rest of these and go ahead and repot them into the remainder of these containers. So if you caught my video, my live chat on this past Tuesday, I went on a little bit earlier than my normal live at 5 because I needed to do something else later in the evening. However, I was shopping live, and these yellow zinnias are one of the plants that I bought at that time. So this was a 12 pack, and so I'm just taking those. I just had to water them. They were super, super dry when I got them. So I had to just water them for a couple of days and get them to really perk up nicely. And so now that they're back, I am just placing them in their new home so that they can grow nice and full. Zinnias are just absolutely beautiful to me, and it's one of the things that I plant from seed as well as by starts on, just depending on which color I tend to find. So there we go, and I just thought they turned out just really cute inside of the pots. Has a good, they really did have really good roots on them, so they were able to easily recover just by getting adequate water. Sometimes at the big box stores, they really don't do a great job of watering the plants, and so that's what happens. You know, they'll have a good root stock, they'll have a really good start that they get in those stores, and they don't do a great job of keeping them watered. The bees are absolutely loving them, and I'm having to kind of fight them off so that I can get finished doing this video. But I understand, they are gorgeous, they are fantastic. I get it, I totally get it. But anyway, the stores, you know, sometimes can slack a little bit on doing the watering, and But you know, zinnias, as I said, they're very hardy, and you know, they will pop back for you in a lot of different conditions. And so as long as you give them that water and keep them moist, you know, not really soggy, but just keep them nicely moist, especially if you live in the hotter climates. They're going to need that. That's one of the requirements, is making sure that they really get a nice, good water, at least depending on how hot it is, at least once a day in our summers, and then sometimes even twice to 3 times a day, just depending on how much rain we get in the area. So on this last couple, I went ahead and just doubled them because I ran out of pots. So these are the zinnias repotted, and I just love them. I really love them. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Share the video out to your friends and family who may be interested in gardening as well. And remember, when you grow it, you know it. Take care, guys.